June 3, 1947, Viceroy Lord Mountbatten announced the division of India into two parts, leading to India's independence on August 15 and the creation of Pakistan on August 14th. This partition marked one of the largest displacements in history, with millions becoming refugees in their own land and countless lives lost in the ensuing riots. The partition particularly impacted Bengal and Punjab. Pakistan emerged as a separate country based on religion, and India has since faced ongoing terrorism from the cross border. The two nations have fought 3 declared wars and continue to grapple with these tensions. On June 1984, the Indian Army launched Operation Blue Star to eliminate separatist terrorist Jarnail Singh Bhindrewala, who had captured the Golden Temple complex in Amritsar in Punjab. The operation, commanded by Indira Gandhi, aimed to free the temple from Bhindrewala's control and concluded successful on June 10, 1984. Initially, Bhindrewala was favoured by Indira Gandhi to counter the Akali Dal, but he gained popularity and fueled separatism in Punjab, becoming a significant problem. He fortified the Golden Temple and stored weapons there. The operation resulted in the death of Bhindrewala on June 7th. However, the operation led to the widespread anger among separatists, culminating in the assassination of Indira Gandhi by her 2 Sikh bodyguards on October 31st, 1984.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On June 3, 1915, Rabindranath Tagore, the renowned Bengali writer and Nobel Prize winner, was bestowed with the title of Knight by the British government. However, in protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre of April 13, 1919, Tagore returned the title of knighthood. He wrote a letter to Viceroy Chelmsford expressing his condemnation of massacre and announcing his decision to renounce the knighthood bestowed upon him by the British Emperor. This act of defiance marked Tagore's unwavering commitment to the principle of justice and freedom. His gesture resonated deeply with the spirit of patriotism and earned him widespread admiration. Tagore's legacy lives on through his literary masterpieces, including the compositions of India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana and Bangladesh's national anthem Amar Shonar Bangla. On June 3, 1999, Indian Air Force soldier Kambampati Nachiketa Rao was released from Pakistani forces. Serving in Air Force Squadron 9 during the Kargil War, Nachiketa, aged 26, found himself in the war-torn Batalik sector. Tasked with attacking enemy positions at an altitude of 17,000 on May 27, 1999, Nachiketa's MiG-27's engine failed mid-flight. Forced to eject, he landed in the hostile territory and was captured by the Pakistani army. Despite adversity, Nachiketa remained resilient. Pressure from India, the United Nations, and global media compelled Pakistan to hand him over to the International Committee of the Red Cross, eventually leading to his return to India via the Wagah border. In recognition of his bravery, Nachiketa was awarded the Air Force Medal in 2000. World Bicycle Day, observed globally on June 3rd, highlights the health benefits of cycling. Recognized by the United Nations General Assembly in 2018, the day aims to raise awareness about the advantages of cycling for overall well-being and disease prevention. Doctors advocate daily cycling for its positive impact on fitness and health. The inaugural celebrations saw participation from UN officials and athletes, emphasizing the significance of cycling. Since then, World Bicycle Day has become an annual event encouraging people worldwide to embrace cycling for a healthier lifestyle.